Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Prominent Zimbabwean entrepreneur, businesswoman, and philanthropist Zodwa Mkandla is today celebrating her 54th birthday. Born on February 3, 1972 in Ivubi, Matabeleland, she is the founder and managing director of Travis Travel, a leading leisure and business travel management company in Zimbabwe. Zodwa grew up in a rural village and faced economic challenges. She attended Mkwasini Primary School and later pursued secondary education at Mount Pleasant High School and St. Columbus in Bulawayo. She holds a diploma from the International Air Transport Association, IATA. Zodwa Mkandla started a career as a bus conductor and later worked as a receptionist for a travel consultant. In 2003, she founded Travis Travel, which has won several awards, including the Fly Emirates Award for Best Performing Travel Agent in Zimbabwe. She's been recognized as International Businesswoman of the Year at the Women for Africa Awards and has received the Tourism and Hospitality Businesswoman of the Year award. Through the Zodwa Mkandla Foundation, she's committed to empowering women and youth, providing scholarships and supporting underprivileged communities. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.